This is the new SG-906 Max RC quadcopter, which have 4K Ultra HD camera, dual GPS system and portable package. This 5G Wi-Fi signal drone is named by SG-906 Max, which is also powered by the Intelligent Obstacle Avoidance System. GPS Professional Aerial Photography, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K Ultra HD camera, SG-906 Max. Laser obstacles avoidance system is on this drone. This is the new SG-906 Pro 2, and this is the portable box of this 3-axis gimbal drone and stabilizer. This is the size display of this drone. Here we go, take a look of this drone. It looks like a DJI Mavic 2 Pro or DJI Mavic Zoom. This is the best hobby grade RC drone. Laser avoidance system, 3-axis anti-shake gimbal on this drone. 120-degree forward and backward obstacles avoidance laser light system. 3-axis mechanical self-stabilizing gimbal. Wow, it's amazing. Smart flying camera, which is powered by 4K Ultra HD lenses. PTZ protective cover, better protection for the lens. Wow, it's an amazing thing. Occupied with Sony IMX179 camera. You can say 4K UHD camera. And here we go. This is the all list of the function like This is the list of SG-906 and the SG-906 Max Pro. Read this list. The Intelligent Obstacle Avoidance System is on this drone. You don't need to be worried during the flight. And this is the list of the official standard SG-906 Max drone. See this. And this is the application operation guide for this drone. Wow, it's amazing drone for beginner pilots. And this is the LCD of the remote controller, which is showing to you each and everything of this drone. 3-axis PTZ occupied with 4K HD camera. It's looked like a DJI Mavic 2 Pro. And this is the remote control operation guide. See this picture very carefully how to use this drone and remote. One-click sharing system. You can share your videos and pictures with your friends and family online by clicking a one-click on screen. Gesture photo system and gesture video system. That's great. Extra large zoom in texture on this drone. GPS optical flow mode switching system is on this drone. GPS positioning and return home. No matter how far away, you can go back to home safely. 5G real-time HD image transmission, 1200 meters remote control distance. If you are asking about the battery life of this drone, the battery life of this drone is 26 minutes, which is powered by 3400 mAh. Wow, this is an intelligent multiple sensor system powerful performance system on this drone. GPS positioning flight. You can also say GPS pointing flight. GPS follow surrounding system on this drone. The version of this drone is 2.0. This is the new SG906 Max RC quadcopter, which is powered by the obstacles avoidance system and a rotating laser sensing radar. You don't need to be worried during the flight between rooms and halls because this drone is powered by the obstacle sensing system. It can go everywhere where you want to fly with SG906 Max. This is the, you can say, fearless drone. It will come to you wherever you want bring itself. 3-axis PTZ occupied with 4K HD camera drone. Wow, amazing. Anti-shaking system on this drone. Create a cinematic feel. With EIS electronic anti-shake system. To be a photographer who captures every wonderful moment with this drone. Route map system, GPS follow me system, and one key sharing your videos online system. Maybe that's what travel is all about you. SG906 Max. Intelligent obstacles avoidance and worry-free flight system. GPS professional aerial photography. SG906 Max drone. Happy guys, I hope you like this video, enjoy this video, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I will upload more videos about on drones, so hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon button and also like this video. Thank you so much. See you in next video.